Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to install a Sega Master System and Sega Game Gear emulator onto your PSP or PSP GO. So the link is in the description. It's just going to bring you to this Google Drive page. You guys can just go ahead and click the download button. So once the file's finished downloading, just head over to your downloads folder. From there all you want to do is just right click and then do extract here. So it's going to give you this file. You can just go into the folder and here is the emulator. It's called SMSplus. If you go inside it you can find the ROMs folder. This is where all the games are stored, and if you guys want to add more ROMs to it, make sure they're in this zip file format. So it's got a couple of games there and that's all I need. So I'm going to copy this to my PSP. So I'm just going to put this inside of the game folder. Okay, so once that's copied across you can always just check it's there. So that's pretty much it for the PC. Now I'm going to head over to my PSP and show you guys what to do next. Okay guys, so once you're on your PSP you can just back out of this option, scroll along until you get to your memory stick. So here is the emulator SMSplus. This was made I think about a year and a half ago, so it's a fairly recent emulator. It's been modified as well. You will need custom firmware for this, but that's pretty obvious. So once you've got it, just press X to open it. So it's going to look like this. It's going to automatically bring you onto the ROMs folder. If it doesn't, you can literally just select it up here. So just go to the emulator right here, press circle on ROMs. Here are all your games. So I'm going to go ahead and launch Castle of Illusion, so just press circle to launch it. So the games run at full 60 FPS with no problems, no sound issues or anything like that. It does have this sort of Game Gear border around the edge. You can remove that if you want to. Let me just show you guys some gameplay first. So if you guys want to remove the border, all you have to do is press left and right at the same time. It's then going to bring up this menu. You can just go up to the top and then scroll along using left and right for options. So if you go into options, screen size, I'm just going to put it on full screen just so you can see what it's like. So just press circle, press X. As you can see, the game started and now it is on full screen and it has cropped everything out. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.